Hello guys! So ngayon, i-try natin yung GCash card kung gagana ba siya dito sa Thailand. Try natin mag-withdraw. So ayan, enter your PIN. And then, select the amount. Withdraw lang muna tayo ng 1,000 baht. Tatry lang natin kung gagana ba siya dito sa Thailand. Select the amount, 1,000. So, ayan, 220 baht ang charge niya in every transaction. So, dapat laki-lakihan nyo na yung i-whip para hindi naman sayang yung charge. So, ayan na. Unang lumabas yung receipt. And then, 1,000 baht. Okay guys, thank you.